The most important conversation you will ever have is the one you have with yourself. You talk to yourself all day long, but what are you saying? I'm tired. I can't do this. They are better than me. Your internal dialogue is the software running your life. If the code is corrupted, the machine breaks. You need to rewrite the script. The Stoics didn't rely on hope. They relied on rational affirmations. Here are 10 powerful things you must tell yourself every single morning to bulletproof your mind. Number 1, whatever happens, I can handle it. Anxiety comes from the belief that you will not be able to cope with the future. But look at your past. You have survived 100% of your bad days. You have endured heartbreak, failure, and illness. Remind yourself, I am built for this. I am adaptable. Number 2, this is temporary. When you are in pain, it feels eternal. When you are successful, you get arrogant. Both are dangerous. Remind yourself that everything is in flux. The pain will end, so endure it. The success will fade, so remain humble. Nothing stays the same. Number 3, I might be wrong. The ego wants to be right. It fights to defend its position. This prevents you from learning. Tell yourself that you are a student. Epictetus said, "It is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks he already knows." Drop the arrogance. Number 4, I am on my own. This sounds scary, but it is the ultimate freedom. Stop waiting for a mentor, a partner, or a miracle to fix your life. You are the hero of your own movie. If you want your life to change, you have to change it. Take the wheel. Are you listening or are you just hearing? To prove you are focused, comment, "I am the master of my mind" below. Let's get back to it. Number 5, here and now. The past is a memory. The future is a hallucination. The only thing that is real is this second. Do not let your mind wander to yesterday's regrets or tomorrow's fears. Center yourself. Do the task in front of you with total dedication. Number 6, they can hurt me, but they cannot harm me. Someone cuts you off in traffic. Someone insults you. These are external events. You cannot stop them, but you can choose not to be offended. As Marcus Aurelius said, choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed, and you haven't been. Number 7, I have enough. Consumerism trains you to feel a lack. You need the new phone, the new car, the better body. This is a treadmill of misery. Tell yourself, I have air, I have a mind, I have life. A wise man is content with his lot, whatever it may be, without wishing for what he has not. Number 8, I will help where I can. Stoicism is often confused with being cold. It is not. We are social animals. Remind yourself that helping others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth, but help them without expecting anything in return. Number 9, the obstacle is the way. When you hit a wall, do not say, "Why me?" Say, "Good. This wall is a test. It is a chance to practice patience, courage, and ingenuity." Do not run from the struggle. Lean into it. Number 10, I may not wake up tomorrow. Before you go to sleep, tell yourself this. It will make you forgive the people you are angry with. It will make you appreciate the warmth of your bed. Go to sleep with a clean slate, ready to die, so you can wake up ready to live. Repeat these 10 things until they become your automatic thoughts. Your mind is a garden. If you don't plant flowers, weeds will grow. Subscribe for more mental tools. Stay strong.